Okay guys, so I'm going to show you some tricks on how to deposit and withdraw some money onto your Luno account. So it's pretty much easy guys, and you just come onto here. So this is our home right here. So this is the price of Bitcoin as of now. It's been growing, man, exponentially, man. It's growing each and every day. But we had a little bit of a glitch for this week. It went down a little bit, but okay, let me just check how has it been for the last 6 months. So this 6 months, how it was. So let's just see how much you could have made some money on Luno if you had invested some money onto the Bitcoin. Just imagine, in about 6 months ago, it was around 185,000, 183, just in there in that time. But look at it now, 873. You see, man, just see the difference. You put your money there, it grew and grew and grew, and it hit that amount. So if you're not in it, man, you're losing a lot. But that's not me here trying to convince you to invest, man, because I am not a financial advisor. Everything I'm doing here is just on my own expense, because I believe in this stuff. I am not advising anyone to invest in this, because I'm no financial advisor. My videos are just for entertainment. Hopefully you enjoy them. So you do whatever you want with the information I give you. So let's get to what I wanted to show you guys onto this video, because I wanted to show you how you can withdraw some money onto your Luno account. So we come onto our wallet right here. So my wallet right now, what's left of it is about 215 rand. So I'm going to withdraw this money, but I had made some trade before. So look, this one it's in Litecoin right here. My Bitcoin, I don't have much money, and on the other ones, Litecoin is there. It's about 215. So I have to convert this money into ZAR, right? So we have to go and see how we can do that. So we're going to come to exchange. So I can see my order right there, what is going to happen and how I can actually sell it for that, so that I can convert it into some rents, right? So we come onto here, we're going to see some charts, but don't get confused with all of these numbers and all these graphs here. They're not that complicated. You don't even have to know half of it, because you'll get to know it as much as you go along, right? So I made an order right here. So once the Litecoin reaches 3,000, I will sell, right? But now it's around 2,692. So I have to cancel this one so that I can sell my Litecoin right now. So I cancel that one, so I have to make a new one right now, so that I can sell it as soon as possible. So in this video, I'm going to add a little bit of something, which is I can even show you how to trade without any fees, because Luno now you can even do that without any fees, you know. Okay, so let me show you right now. So I'm going to come on to sell. So I'm going to put up a price I want to sell with, right? So there is this price that is currently there available that I can sell with, which is 2,500, but I don't want to do that. So I'm going to try to put something close to that one there so that you can sell. As much as I'm still talking with you guys, hopefully it will reach them. So because I don't want to trade with any money, so let's put 2694. All right, and then we're just going to say max, put the whole amount of money we have, and then you can look here to see here, no fees, 0%, you see. So all I have to do, I just have to put through this order. So place an order. Your order was successful, you see. So my order has been made right here. There it is. If this changes it into 131,269.3, I will sell, right? So we just have to wait until that happens, and then we will proceed. It has been sold. Now finally it has been sold. So look at it now, it's around 279. So it went past the 294 already. So look at here now, it says you have no open orders. So my order has filled up and has a bit sold. So we're going to go back to the wallet now, and then we can see if we can withdraw the money out, right? So we're going to wait for it to load. So because I said I want us to withdraw without any fees, right? So we're going to come here, and I traded there without any fees as well, and now I'm going to withdraw without any fees as well. So all I have to do, I have to just come onto ZAR here, click here. There is deposit and there is withdraw. If you want to deposit, you click here. You can use this instead FE with PayU. You can use bank transfer. So we're going to see here, then you're going to put the exact amount of money you want. Then the minimum deposit is about 100. Then the maximum deposit is about, I'm sure you can see there, I don't know if that's 2 million or 200,000 or what, but I'm sure you can see there those commas. I think that's about 2,000 or 2 million. I'm sure you can see them. And then all you can just, once you put in the amount of money here, and then you're just going to click next. But what I'm focusing on now is I'm focusing on withdrawing the amount, right? So we're going to go on to withdraw. So I'm using my bank account, which is Capitec, and I've already added it, so you can add it as well. You can just put that, you can just click here and add yours. So mine is already there. Just click there, and then I just have to put the amount of money I want to withdraw, which is that one. I can just put max and then just take everything out, right? Okay, Okay, that's everything I have in there, and then I am going to say next. Okay, alright, then I'm going to say next. So this is what it says right here, the most important one. I'm going to take up 215 Rand, withdrawal fees 0, no fees, nada, nothing. And then all I have to do, I just have to confirm this, confirm, and it's done. Done. Then it's done. So this is going to take about a day for it to reflect on my account. I cannot use this money now on anything, on Luno, on whatever, because I've withdrawn it. So it's going to reflect on my account probably tomorrow, because it's at night now. It's around 10 o'clock. I'm not even supposed to be doing this now, but because there's no rush, but as soon as tomorrow is going to reflect once they open, because they work around from Monday to Friday and they don't work on public holiday and on weekends. I think the weekends they eat sometimes, but you can read on, because it differs with different banks and all that stuff. So guys, thanks for, I think that's it for this video, and I will see you on the next one. And thank you guys for watching, and please guys, you can subscribe on this channel, because I upload more videos on about trading and anything to do with making some extra money on the side. So keep on watching on this video, on this channel, and then we will see you on the next one. Thank you.